Good evening, my people, my people, my people, my people, my people, my people. I just come out for this short video. Why I want to do this short video? This message to Andrew Omofoma, the drunker. When you go drink finish for bar, you go the piece for pint, you go the piece for body for Piacenza. So I want to talk to you. Don't tell when you they insult me. I never ever come out for live video come insult you. I only see one of your video some weeks ago. Now I talk, put, now answer. You say, I draw more form every time they try to insult me. You say, oh, you better they beg you. Make they not beg you again. This time na bomba to bomba. I draw more form. If you don't feel come pressure, come give me to police. I'll listen you be bastard. Andrew Omofoma and me be mama boy. I don't spend 24 years for Brescia. Andrew Omofoma, that's your boys. If you don't feel break them, I go still not say that you're bastard. You be bastard. That Ashawo wife when you marry for house, when he show you the video, when he did there, when you they insult another person, another woman, two of una, I go take damn your two of una Andrew. I go take una raw poto. You say if you come Brescia, you will call police for me, so they'll call open my file when I don't do my nash. Andrew, when you come, we go know for this Brescia who be my nash. If you don't go feel come pressure, you go die for your papa and your mama high. Andrew Omofoma, that's why they talk to so. More na listen to this mumu. More na listen to Andrew Omofoma. We go drink finish. You go the piece for body for bar. Una still listen to his voice now. Una go not say you don't still drink. Mona listen to them. Rabala we gbe unza. We not dano. Rudeni na unwa ku gwa me live video gwa robi ene.
But you, where people chop small picking money because you persuade.
Mona they listen.
You don't feel work for yourself to get money. Because of some people give you money, you don't feel stand on the lane of truth. The day where it's stupid, the day where it's useless. That is what you are. Maboy, you just not get your time. Since you are not talk to you.
Andrew, me I don't get your time now. Me I do want now. Me I do for this year. Ah, the old man wey dey social media now you ugly pass. You dey smell. If they pass you, go dey smell. When I pass it for the better dance that day, you dey smell. I will punish you. Useless man, smelly man. When I listen to what you are the answer and put. I don't know for what you they come pressure. If you don't feel come pressure, I then do not get my ass. The Villa Kachina ass come. Or if you get pressure train station as you talk, may you call me what bell. I don't know for what Daniel people. See John King when go drink in the for gutter. Now for special go kill your papa, kill your mama. And to make you go Nigeria go spend 3 months. Wow. John King. Daniel people. Junkie, if you don't feel, you say you get boys. Which boys want follow smelly thing like you? Dirty pig like you? What bell? And me and you go start now this year. I don't give any of you a chance this year at all. Wow, you are about fearful in your truth. And you dey find attention because anytime you do live video, now only 30 people they look you. You don't tell when you find this year, boy. Wow, bell. Your wife, God go punish your wife. Your wife will be Ashawo. Your wife will be Ashawo. Andrew Omofoma wife na Ashawo. Everybody they fuck around for that village there. Piacenza. If you don't go work finish, everybody will come to sleep with your wife. Where? This year will follow you.
Never would I listen to an idiot like you.
Concern me, concern you. I take the eking. I said,
I can leave you because
you
be like mosquito for me to crush.
Junkie, you want crush you now. If you come pressure, if I don't put you for prison, you will not say I don't be here, boy. Make you try. If you come pressure, Adromo farmer, if you come pressure, if I don't put you for prison, you know say I don't be here.
Able to beg me, I'm coming for you in pressure. Now pressure go for flog you.
See, you want to flog your mama?
I'll come to pressure.
You want to flog your wife, flog your mama?
Mama boy? I want to see Mama boy.
You want to flog the pikin wa Adromo farmer, sound tell you tiku. If you don't drink finish for Piaches, they go dey fall for gutter.
What you get for pressure?
Wow, I got all with me.
My first city.
Do I go drink finish the fall for gutter?
That's my pet in Italy. That's what my city.
Do I go come to pressure? You go the shit for party. You go the peace after you don't drink finish. The peace for body. The shit for body. At the waiting for train station. At the wait you. If you today now Tuesday, and drama for my if you not keep free come pressure on Saturday because I dey work, I go not say you be bastard. You be bastard.
I'll call customer pressure for your head that day. I'll call customer pressure for your head. This is an old woman who will open your file again. They open your file. Your file needs to be reopened.
They fire open your file for pressure. Since when I come pressure, you hear say when I come Italy, yes I don't go prison for Italy.
Are you stupid, Mama?
Wow, bell. Frustration, man. Go say person frustrate. You when don't frustrate finish. When God don't punish finish. I just say man, I listen to waiting this junkie. When he say go drink finish, he go the peace for body for he go the peace for body for Piacenza and Romo Foreman. You don't come. Shebi na here boy. You don't tell when you define me since Eranomigo time. Now you define me. You still get one video when you do last 2 weeks. When you insult me, I see him. And last 2 weeks I see him. When you insult me, I don't talk to you. I say, wait till I can still do this man now. When you still they insult me, I just had that joy word about 3 days ago. Now if you say you want to insult your papa, you want to insult your mama, when don't die finish. If you don't think Adromo farmer. I bet when I me share this message, go give Adromo farmer. Adromo farmer, if you no come pressure, when you can't open my file for police station, it go be like say if they don't feel open my own that day, they go open your own. Adromo farmer, if you come pressure, if I even cite you for any party for pressure, if I cite you, if I don't put you for prison, Adromo farmer, you go no say I be bastard. On Saturday, I know they go work. Adromo farmers, 8 o'clock. I don't date train station for pressure. I go wait if now 6 o'clock in the evening. You take one, I still go on Sunday. Now in the evening or Sunday, they enter work. If you don't feel come, maybe you can't open your papa and your mama fire and your own fire. I will not say I know get boo. You know say you know how to drink. If you don't drink finish, you go the peace for body. Adromo farmer said, now I go answer all of them one after the other. Okay, here boy when you go Nigeria, he frustrate or he posted your pikin old pass you. Almost a man, where my hair Andrew. Andrew, me I never see your children picture. I pray make them not ugly like you. I pray make them not be like smelly goats like you. You know say they smell. You know say to be dirty skin. You dey Europe, you're black. They smell like that. If you go to Nigeria, okay. Black, you know fit buy cream. That's your smelly wife, a shower wife when you marry for us. When everybody they fuck wait you before you come. You not tell you say your skin not good, may buy cream for you. Wow. Come out. They say, yeah boy, and they come flog you for pressure. You get boys, you go call your boys. Oh, I'm sorry, see person when you say see get boys. Oh, you say you don't first take pressure before, you not know yeah boy. Adromo farmer, you don't know me. Adromo farmer, if you don't true stay for pressure, you're supposed to know ye boy. If I buff ya kunle luwe wa gbon mo o. E ma gbon abi agwo ma gbo be social media Adromo farmer no be guya. Wo be agwo ma gun. If you don't need viewers, you got to measure ye boy name. If you need viewers, you got to measure if you need your name. If you need viewers, you got to call Monica ne wa What did they do for live video? They do Ilele. They do my Ilele clear and completed. Since when you they do live video, what did you don't get for inside? Nothing. You do election. Una clap and follow is there yamu. Una put her for the place where you no expect. Which person you don't escort one day when you see gay or when you see better thing for inside? He not there. He not there. Adromo from our soon but they wait for you. You want dirty key. Oh, na problem with the person, but United they laugh another person. Oh, Most of my woman here. Anywhere person or when no one was say, well, yeah, I can't go pure. Not beside the talker. What dig I draw more for me. I draw more for more soon with the name of if you want me, I need cash work for you. I go need cash work for you. If you don't need me for waste, I go use 7 days need cash work for you. Where come is who I no put on okay? This I draw more for me. If you don't drink finish for Piacenza, it go the peace for body. One day I go beg people make the record you can give me. After you don't drink, when just the peace for body. Wow, Daniel Diku. You may be junkie. You got to talk to person. Wow. You not get what when they don't give them money. They're mad. Ask anybody for this pressure. Shebi, you say you know people for pressure. Since when I enter pressure, they walk. They walk. You understand us? They go tell you, say, yeah, boy, you only one winner. Wow. God will punish you. Every time, yeah, boy. 3 times now they see your video, now we can insult me. I only answered you, I not curse you. If I bought your wife, that your wife go die for your eye. That your wife, you go die for your eye. Then my wife can say, yeah, your frustrated wife. That one, if you not frustrated, you can carry bush dog like you. Animal like you. Now frustration make her come marry somebody like you now. Because you not be human, you not be better person. Well, that's when he spent 7 months for us. He said God for us. They tell you say I not buy ticket, go and come. I buy my ticket, go and come. Wow. You are born loud, baby. Every time mama boy. When I know me go on top, when I know me go ahead, I go kill you. Now I don't know me go ahead, I go kill you because I don't know me go not say you. You not say you make God they sort your boy. When I know me go on top, boy. Wow, well, I dey wait for you. If you don't come pressure, not boss this boss. So if you don't come pressure, if you dey come pressure train station, you go see women when go come wait for you. They not go call me women. If I don't feel judge you go not say I not be here, boy. Try, may you come this Saturday. I dey can't get best. I come flog you. Go flog your mama. Go flog your mama, Drew. Wow, bro. Go flog your wife. They say that so you they beat your wife for us every day. If you don't drink finish, you go they beat the useless wife when you marry for us. Wow, dead by war. This year, I'm for now. Not be the one when I go to say, I don't need trouble. I don't need trouble. You go sit down for your house, they will come, they find you trouble. That's your wife when it come carry audio give you or anything give you, say, yeah, boy, they talk to you. You know, why you don't first stop you the day when you measure yeah, boy, in the sort of say, that useless woman, he got for us, I never come for her. He got the beg for money, make the take her and come they cry. That's your useless wife. You don't see the video. When I can't answer you now, your wife can't show you this thing. Your useless wife. When police dog, when everybody don't fuck finish for Piacenza. Marriage woman might feel food. What your wife if I ball like no worry. If you not come, make me come. If you not come for Piacenza. Make me on Saturday. May I come meet you for Piacenza train station. May I for come jail you for your time there. If I don't feel called jail you for there, you know say I not be here, boy. You are bell. They're mad. Every time, mama boy, unwije boy talk boy back boy boy. Why soon we the never wa? About loud, babe. May your children not pass you. May your children not go ever grow past you for your life. You want me to let that curse on you? Your children not go ever grow past you for your life. Till you die, your children not go grow past you. That word when you talk, say, you both say your picking old past you. Most of them, woman here. Picking the past person, it na cause for Bini or for the old one, say, and then, even when me and my mama they wakana, they talk and say, yeah, boy, am I no hear myself? Not be like that. You don't see my picking, you don't see left for grand, you don't see as he make booty for grand, you the craze, God punish you. Picking when I bought for Ishama, you don't see as he big for grand. Who beg man I bought that picking give, you don't see as he make battle for grand, you don't see huh? Wow, you are born loud, babe. Try me I see your hand for my body, me I see beg people go just left your life for you. Babola, go assume. Every time, I go for more top boy. We my boy, any on top boy, Andrew. Andrew, your children not go ever pass you for life. Your children not go reach you, talk less, they go pass you. Now that cost a lay for you. For you to they measure my picking name at all for your program. Your picking not go ever grow reach you. Lie for your life till you die. You not go see your children grow for your eye at all. Nothing gonna do the children, but you not go see them grow for your eye. Mama boy, talk boy, Andrew liver salt. This year, Andrew, I follow you best now for this video. Make they say that, make they call you here now. Andrew, if you no feel come pressure, come put me, open my fire. Even before you come, me, I don't do Nishaju. Tomorrow morning, I'll just go our Questoria Carabinieri office here. I'll carry your video, I'll go do Nishaju. I know the joke, eh? And if I do Nishaju finish, I will show you the paper. If you know, I will take you show example. Italy we there now. Now we there Italy. As woman, man go pass woman for this Italy. Me, I go see you. That words when you talk. Say you go tell your boys. Make a fast save the video. I save the video. So that my could see. Now this thing you carry yourself, me and you. Me I quickly save the video. Oh Baba. There you go. Me I save the video. Now the video I want to do Nisha you tomorrow early morning. But I want to take you show example.
Here are the top search results.
Maybe you bring your boys, come. Say you want to carry your boys. You will say, make they flog me. Hey, Andrew want flog a wife. Andrew, I not be your wife. And me, I not see if friend somebody like you when they smell. Ooh, you they smell. You they smell. Even your black. You don't feel rub cream, put make it they shine. When you there Europe. If you come there Nigeria, now you go feel rubber. What I beg you can do here. Me I find the video. I must surely do Nishaju. Because if anything do me for pressure, oh. Now this man say he go send the boys after me, oh. You said you want to send your boys after me. I go Denisha you tomorrow morning. Oh. This year boy, I go use one stop and for the mouth. Hey, they did. May you do it lesson now, whether you will fit. You not go fit because they don't reject you. Picking when you shall reject. You don't see my picking, but picking. Strokuro me. You know say I make me D for grand. You know see you not fit show your children. How you go tell show them when they're ugly, what finish? You not fit show them now. I better not let me talk to all those my beautiful children. Wow, me, I don't swear for you this evening. Andrew or more for you not go your children not go ever grow, reach you till you die. Now the cost when I lay on you be that, but the children they go better for life. God go bless them for life, but they not go grow reach you. You not go enjoy those children. You not go feel carry the waka, make they grow past you, make everybody they ask you say, oh, Andrew, this your children, oh, they don't grow, they even grow past you. You not go feel happy for your life till you die. I find it. What did they do this video? Now better come out. I want to say, Van, carry and go give Carabinieri. You not feel threaten me, make you go finish, go now. I know they fear. Oh, if you want to come meet me, if you not feel come. May me come meet you for Piacenza. May I come meet you for Piacenza? Daniel Diku or Daniel Bukpagolele. Andrew don't check out. Oh, Andrew don't drink. Oh, Wakbobane. Andrew don't junkie. Or Daniel. If you come out 100 times in a day, me go come out 50 times because my work it pardon me to do anything when I want to do. What they work here. Yeah, Drew. If first time that day, that one when he got, when he got for Nigeria, they come they beg money. What, well, now my own sister buy me ticket 1,000 euro. Can your wife want shower don't code finish? You go see money buy ticket come for you. Wow, one Drew. You are born now. You are fool. Andrew, if you see this video, I beg you, make you fast, come pressure tomorrow. Leave work, make you come. Me go still feel leave work. I go just call my sister, come look work for, come for me, wait for me. I want go wait Andrew for train station. He go do the talk, oh pra, like say na papa palo ide. Say I go send my boys, they go flag you. You think say na Lagos Street today or na your village market today? When you just command boys, they go come flog me. Andrew, if you enter pressure, if I no disgrace you, if I no call my junior one, make they bay your head, make they cut one of your head, you go no say I no be here, boy. Andrew, if you no feel come, on Friday, if I close for work, I'll first go and answer for my brothers for train station. Then I go wait. I will tell you when you come on Saturday. Maybe we see your boys or my brothers demo. Who na go fit fight for train station. You know say I too like it, and if they fight, they not go come. See, we kill ourselves in it before they come. So Andrew, more former. Me, Ije boy, you say you want to open my fire for here. Since when I enter Italy, I never fight man, I never fight woman, I not get case for police station. So maybe now your case, now we want open when you come that day. Andrew, Ije boy promise you. Ije, you say I frustrate. So maybe you come, maybe we see who frustrate. Maybe we see frustrate. You hear? Maybe we see who frustrate. Whether now you frustrate or as you they receive money for a month, now so me see they receive. That's your smelly wife. Your wife will be say if you go work finish, they go help you, they vandalize them. You come they talk to me. I be sick, go woman feel wakarish anywhere. He said they can't give you money finish. You know can they give you money. Do you think say I be woman when not get her to work? Ask people for this Italy. I call 2006 ND. 2008 I see document. Now they start to the work for Fabrica up to date. Who are they de work here? Andrew, who are they de work here? Andrew, more for one. Who are they de work here? Not be like you, eh? With the smell. When small sweat go enter your body, if you pass person, your dog go full everywhere. You go say, yeah, boy. If I talk that video that day, yeah, boy, dirty woman, you the man. May you confess to me, you see my skin. I know the raw top there, I know the raw, what is it they call her? Organic cream. Go see my skin. May you just near me, may you see my skin as it be. Wow, they go here. Every time, mama boy, mama boy, mama boy, mama boy. When I know me go talk boy back more. Now I know me go head, now I go kill you. With a baseki head, now they go drag you inside grave when you not expect. If you that and say no be me go change you for this Italy. Come brace I mean you can't touch me. Come brace I mean you send anybody to me. You say if you come, you go call carabinieri for my head police. No worry, before me you come, me don't do this you. I don't do this you. Andrew, may you give me the real name where they your paper. But now Andrew, you they be full everywhere for YouTube. Wow. If I don't feel change, you don't be here, boy. Me, you know the type of person when I be for this Italy. You know paper when you follow my documents. You know, if you never see them, if you never see them, call them, make them tell you. If I follow you, I do pay. If I don't judge you, face to face, me I do go stand face to face. I follow you, I do like this. If I see police, they come, I go grab you. If I don't put you for jail, make you go spend 1 year there. You know, you do not believe saying you know, well, for me, I first leave you. Man, I don't use my hand. And if I the country station, I go hold my documents. I'll make sure I put you for the place where you not expect for your life. Well, that's you go say make you see the look on. You do that one that day, I respect you. I see the audio. I look and say, oh, I draw more for my two, they find my trouble. I don't know what I'll do this, man. Forget her. You do another one again. You still insult me. I say you go Nigeria, you go frustrate that old woman. When they smell, you talk and I still forgive you. I just take an joint word 2 days ago. Now your wife comes here. That's your useless smelly wife. You know, see at the time when they call me say I go up for Nigeria. You don't know how many videos you don't do for my head. Andrew, do you not know how many videos you don't do for my head? I don't even answer you. You are both fear. Your wife will be say if you go finish, they go help you, they vandalize you, they talk to me. Me, I don't even know say you get wife. The way when you talk to another person, another people wife. I think say you just get like that, you not get wife, you not get children. Come out. Now we want face, I mean want face your wife. If you do this one, who if you're a top boy? Who be like a Monica here top boy? A sue. Try me. They go from that to Begu, call you. I know the joke, try me. If you know two people will go call you for that to Begu, maybe you leave their wife alone. If they hear your mouth for your mouth again, they go banner. They hear enough for your mouth again, bear that your mouth for you. Useless man. Try me. Wow, every time. Here boy, for your mouth, you know they finish. I never even mention your name now. That's your smelly wife. Condemn woman when you put for us. Because they talk, your Asharon will be saying if you go for feeling, they'll help you, they vandalize. Now me talking. Come out. When you can't challenge me again. I'll get many things when I go to disgrace you. He picking person, he old person. If my pikin not old past me, waiting I get for life. If my pikin not grow past me before I die, waiting I get for life. So Andrew, I lay curse on you today. You will not live to see your children grow. In Jesus' name, amen. If I search for Benin, if I search for Nigeria, now 7 months I do. When you go Nigeria that day, Andrew, when you go the smell for your palo there. Not be ticket when you buy, not be go and come. Not be go and come you buy. Yes. You think say me go Nigeria, not go buy go and come. If to say I even wait reach September, now my ticket are for take home. Wow, he come for straight for Nigeria. Now your papa, your generation for straight for Nigeria. Yourself, you don't for straight for Europe. Everything here, boy, because I say I'm not going to talk to you now. Wow, Biki. Andrew, more for my Biki was son, warring at Bamako. Wow, loud, no, you know, not say woman cost not good for body. It's not good for body. Eh? People when we made the course, you know, say all of them can't be for live video. May when they do live video, when we made the late course every day. You know, say as their life be, and you go join them now. If you not see the progress, that eye go the pepper una eye go the cry. Let Victor not just praise Monica husband. That's the one they be for now. Then they say the one with person. Victor when come yesterday, they not better pass you. Victor when come Europe yesterday, they not better pass you. You know they see viewers when even enter live video yesterday. You don't see how many viewers they get. They praise. They praise person. You know they do. I never ever see person do video when they praise you. That's also cost. Neither they cost you. I never see where. Even your friends, they say go come and say, hey, I'm for that thing when you just talk today now good. You know they ever. You not get what they can't do for live video. You say you do politician. Person on a side. On a disgrace the man. Nothing the man care for on a hand. I know see waiting me when carry lele do come. I go sit down the chish. Waiting you don't ever do since when I know you for social media. If you know insult this one, if you know insult Monica, you go insult TJ Boy. If you know insult TJ Boy, you go insult Faye. If you know Faye, you go insult Evie. If you know expect Evie, you insult Milaki. If you know insult Milaki, you insult Dimorphy. Now it be waiting you they do for live video. You no ever get one program when you they do. Victor when you they talk to you, they said do plus. Abi, if they said do plus, if months end, you go still collecting money. Waiting you they do. Every time to come social media, come to insult your room. You get woman. I don't even know say you get woman for us. I don't know. Your wife can say that's your smelly wife. When you no fit talk to your husband, when go where women they say, I bet come on, I don't want to make all these women cause they insult me. So now you go begin, me not go curse you again. Now your wife me go face. When you no fit conduct in husband, make it they responsible. Me I not their husband house. So now I'm drama for man. Now do I go take stats? You know say I talk and say this year I no go give them enough na chance. No, I call they insult me as soon as they do before. Wa gbe o wa gbon wa sun we de na ro wa. Unho ya hin atogbo. Wa de wa gbo. If you try me too much, I go nick swear for you for 7 days. Wa gbe o. Wetin I do you? Every time, mama boy, if I do video, the video not go concern you. You go insult me. 3 times now, I don't see your video when you take the trauma for me. I don't understand you. The one I do about 3 days ago, I even just talk smoothly. You just come out. Hey, boy, you don't trust my money. You don't touch it. Me, I dey chop money as soon as be. I dey chop money. Call this live video. Anybody who don't say money, come for me. Say, hey, boy, take money, make you join me. Because now, what you not do be that. Me, I know they do that. If I see the truth, I'll talk. Wa bola wegbe wa sun we denevoro wa dru liver salt wa degi ekedewo kiye uhi wo ya kin atogbo wo ya kin atogbo as you say you no go get respect for woman now you go dey women go dey lay curse on you day and night me I say as you go take survive wa degi ekedewo kiye Andrew I still repeat am this one a short video this one a just message I repeat the last when I want to talk to you today, Andrew Omofoma, on Saturday, if you not say your voice and my name, if you don't reach the station, say, "Iye boy," before you ask 3 people, they go know me. If you not feel gather your voice, make the carry cake come flog your mama. Make the carry cake go flog your mama. I go not say you be bastard. I go not say your papa and your mama not born you well. Andrew, I don't save the picture. Tomorrow morning, me and I'll first go Carabinieri office for a year. Then if they direct me to Questora, I go take break for work. On Friday, I'll go to Nishadu. I go there wait for you. In case if anything do me for pressure, I'll see the person who is treating me. I'll carry the video come out. Then I go call them, make the translator, make them hear what you talk. Say you they come pressure, you want to open my file. So I bet pressure Questora. Even when I even get problem for another country, when they call Italy say, I'm very clean. They should bring me home. Did you see it? Andrew, try your luck. Now, you people want to try your luck. Say, hey, boy, get case. You want to open up. People, when they give you information, when they give you information, well, so that one are not going to go jail for what you don't know. Now, so my sister, I go leave the Odoyo. Now, Odoyo. Odoyo. Andrew. You be so you get I don't know say you get wife for house, you just promote man person when you know insult you, you just they insult they go before you see their video. Your crazy wife, when God don't punish finish, you know go fit tell you say, ah, my husband, this woman never see and say he enter video insult you, leave her now. Even though you talk to them, you know they come answer you. So let me come say me go come answer you today. For the year can they go ever but fear kulelu. Ubele, see as I don't make sure your name Andrew. I don't even get viewer because they never that kind of person know they exist. They know if I know that correct person, I make sure you name for this place now. Don't get 1,000, don't get 600, don't get 400. But since when I just make sure you, as I just say now, Andrew, everybody just go because you are worthless on social media because you don't have anything you present apart from you want to insult your mama. You get wife for house, you go they insult another women. Even so, when even they with other husband, you go they insult them. May fire, told that fire you. If you don't feel come pressure, come tell all your boys. I know say you be Curtis so. So all those your Curtis boys, if you don't feel call them, make they come flog me. I go no say you be bastard. I go no say God don't already destroy your life because if you drink finish, you go the peace for dross. You the peace for trouser. For Piacenza there. Because the way you talk in that video, everybody don't know say you don't drink. You don't drink. So mama boy, frustrated for Nigeria. You both say your mama, your pikin old back. But man no na prayer. Almost on I want yeah. I drew more for man. I drew a door more for man no day me for man no man. Picking when you see for ground, when you say he healthy like this. It is a Ishama, they born useless children. Not be Ishama when useless like you. Andrew, you will never know peace this year. And peace will never need you. See you. What dey if you do 10 video for me, I not go dey face you. Now your wife. Now I go dey describe. I go dey scatter am. Try your luck. If I not fit, I'll still me self go still give people money. Make they help me scatter your wife for you. Wow, oh, fear kulelu. I fit tell mama boy, I dey come for you. Mama boy, I dey come for you. What dey yeke dey okay? Baba la wegbe. Adanyo diku. Ladian, come out. Come out. Anything when you talk, me I still ready when I go. Me I not go even talk anything. This course, I go they curse you, curse your wife. Every blessed day, anything when you like. Moon I go pre-come out. I don't give a damn. But I draw more for me. Now bury ground, now near you pass. Go try your luck. If you not feel come, I go no say, I will not say you be empty vessels. If you not feel come pressure. You see, I can just come pressure. Make them open your fire. Now to talk, they talk. Now to use my talk, now they talk. I do more for me. I go answer you. It's not too much for you. I be say I not go answer you. Just the talk. This sort don't too much. Now everybody go they come. What do you still do this man? What do you still do this smelly man? I not do you anything now. They crazy. Before I answer you that day, when I just talk small thing, say I draw more for one when they the way they talk to me, I they see in video. The day when me say go answer her, now you come and come to insult your mama. I not be your mate and talk of age as senior you. Senior you where what defi and one. Where's something on altar? You not go reach senior one day they ask a question. You and your children not go ever grow this you till you die. They not go grow this you. I lay cost on you today. Your children not go grow this you. Not to go do those my children. They be my children. But you, they not go ever grow to meet you. Because you are evil man. You are evil man. Nobody they praise when they go up. You not go up, talk let's say when the people wait they praise. I come meet you for live video. Since when they do the live video, you know they get past 20 viewers. Highest 30. If you still measure your boy name, now you go see here. Because now your boy they sweet you for months. If you not measure your boy, no one can look you because what you they talk is worthless, is helpless. You know, say if I day lele do as people they come mommy. Mommy, need that area. You know the year. Now you go for one. Now you just see one key you put. What be over more. May you still do ilele sana. You not go fit because if you don't drink finish, if you want ask if you want greet a bodiage, you will go to smell your yansh. Useless man. No worry, me I go save the video. Come, come. I dey wait for you. May you still save this my own because I don't threaten you, but I tell you say may you come pressure. I dey wait for you. And if you not fit send your boys, my brother, now I be say oh ruo vio. Hello ma. James. Yo. Mata wa no mata no. Hello.